Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Lovely's Corner. For today's video, ay share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa ang aking basic kilay using 2 basic tools or materials and 4 easy steps. For the basic tools and materials, I'm only using this 2. Okay, let me show you guys. Yan, this 2. Ayan na, as what you can see there. The eyebrow pencil and the eyebrow brush. For this eyebrow pencil, nabili ko siya sa Watsons. So, yung brand niya ay Make Brow. I don't know if you can see it. Make Brow yung brand niya. And yung shade niya is light brown. And of course, for the makeup brush, ito yung, for the eyebrow brush, ito yung eyebrow brush na nakuha natin from our previous eyebrow pencil that we used. And for the 4 easy steps, you only have brush, outline, shade, and go back to the first step, which is the brush. So easy, so elementary, pang student talaga siya, pang beginner talaga siya. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching this video. Let us now move on to defining our eyebrows. First step is to brush the eyebrows following the directions of the hair strands on both eyebrows. Now twist the eyebrow pencil to reveal the desired amount of lead point that you want to use. Outline your eyebrow following the normal shape of your eyebrow, or you can just create a shape that you like as long as it looks good on you. As what you can see, hinihila ko yung upper portion ng eyebrow. Because by outlining, you also consider creating an art. So I'm trying to create one. Now, shade your eyebrow using the thicker lead point of your eyebrow pencil. Go ahead and shade evenly. You can continue repeating this process until you're finally done with the shading and until you're satisfied with the overall shade of your eyebrow. Finally, even out the shade of your eyebrow using the brush. By brushing, you create a natural look on your eyebrow. And once again, you can repeat this process until you're satisfied with the overall look of your eyebrow. And there you go, we're done. It's now time to move on to the second eyebrow. Just repeat the steps. First is to brush. I am already done with the brushing, so I move on to the second step, which is outlining. And then third is the shade, and then lastly go back to the first step, which is to brush. Alright, so there you go lovelies. Antayin na lang natin na matapos itong video na to and we're good to go. By the way, Itong makeup na to, ito pala yung preparation makeup natin for our online tutorial. So after finishing my eyebrows, I'll go ahead and retouch my makeup. So I think nag-oily na ako dito sa video. So after finishing my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and retouch my foundation, my, how do you call that, my blush on, and maybe my lipstick as well. So there you go, lovelies. There you go, guys. Ayan, just continue or just keep on watching this video until finish. Okay, reminder lang, when you're working with your kilay, always remember that our eyebrows or our kilays, kilays talaga, hindi talaga siya pantay. Ganun. So, you really need to keep an eye on it in order to balance yung shade niya, yung shape niya, yung art niya, everything. So, you have to balance on both sides. Kaya talaga, sinasabi nila, kilay is life. Napakahirap talaga, guys, na mag-define ng ating eyebrows. And once you're able to have a well-defined eyebrows, dun mo talaga masasabi na, yes, kilay is truly life. Ha, diba? And so, just keep on watching this video, guys, until the end. I'll go back to you later. So there you go, lovelies, for our basic kilay look. Ayan, so tapos na natin siya. Napakasimple lang naman. Okay, just keep in mind to always have a picture of a kilay that you wanted for yourself. Ayan, always imagine ano ba yung klase ng kilay na gusto mo, kasi there are different types of kilay. So it depends kung ano ba yung bagay kasi sa ano mo, sa structure ng face mo. Ayan, meron kasing mataray look, meron namang angel or innocent look, meron namang parang heavy yung kilay look, meron namang light and so natural lang na klase ng kilay. So it depends on you, on the type of kilay that you wanted to have. So as for my kilay, sinunod ko lang talaga siya sa kung ano yung shape ng eyebrows natin. Ayan, so and always remember as well na hanapin nyo yung arc talaga ng inyong kilay. Dapat may arc talaga siya. Kapag wala siyang arc, so pwede kayong pumunta sa salon para ipa-shape yung kilay ninyo. Kasi kapag na-shape yung kilay natin, nabawasan siya, ano siya, like by threading or by shaving, ayan, by threading or by shaving, magkakaroon kasi tayo ng outline na, basic na outline na susundin na lang natin. Ayan, para kapag naglagay tayo ng outline with the use of the eyebrow pencil, madali na lang siya. Ako, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapunta sa salon, ang tagal ko nang hindi pabawas ng kilay natin. So, ako na lang yung gumagawa niyan with the use of this tool. Ito yung, yung blade for our eyebrow. Hindi ako ganun kagaling magbawas ng kilay. Ayan, mag-shape ng kilay. Pero, yeah, ginagawa ko lang siya ng paraan. Para-paraan lang yan. And for this kilay, ayan na, there you go. I hope that you liked it. And if you do, please go ahead and click that like button. And then comment down below if you have any suggestion. And also, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe now and hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga future videos ko. So this is my first ever, ano ko ba siya tawagin? Beauty content or Probably tutorial. O sige, tutorial na lang. This is my first ever tutorial content. Kasi previously, nagme-makeup ako pero hindi ko siya, hindi siya in a form of tutorial. Parang pinakita ko lang kung paano ko siya ginagawa. So this time, ayan, pinakita ko kung paano yung step by step talaga na ginagawa para ma-achieve natin yung kilay na gusto natin. And yeah, always bear in mind the kilay that you wanted to have. Ayan, dapat may arc. And kahit na kung ano yung available na basic tools and materials that you have right there, ayan, you can use that for as long as meron kang 2 points. Kasi sa akin, basic talaga eh. Really basic. Kasi kapag ka puro, lang tayo, yung pang shade lang tayo, mahihirapan tayo. Ayan, dapat meron talaga tayong pang outline. Okay, others are using brush. Okay, but for me, kasi much easier siya kapag gumagamit tayo ng pang-outline talaga na pencil. Ay, wow, ito na pala siya. Ayan, malapit na maximize ko na siya. So, kailangan ko nang bumili ng bago. Ayan. And for the shading, ayan. Ito palagi yung sa shading, di ba? So, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Ayan o, ang dami pa niya. So, yung pang-outline talaga, na natin, almost na-consume na natin. Pero ito, ang dami pa niya. Ayan. Ayan. And, other ways of outlining our eyebrows. And when defining it, we can use brush. Alam niyo yung brush na ang nipis? Ako kung meron ako nandito, pero let me just show you kung meron ako ha. Eto, meron ako. Eto, yung brush na ganito. So, you can also use it in outlining your eyebrows. Ayan. So, you can either use a pomade or yung yung parang pareho nung sa eyeshadow or powder. Ayan. So, ako kasi ayoko ng powder. Tapos, itong pomade na to, itong deep brow pomade na to kasi, lang kasi to siya eh, mumurahin lang siya. So, ang daming clean na peke siya. So, yeah, I agree, peke nga siya. Kaya, minsan ko lang siya ginagamit and ang hirap niyang i-blend. Yan, the most important thing kasi kapag ka gumagamit tayo or pumipili tayo ng mga cosmetics for our eyebrows, dapat madali lang siyang i-blend. Ayan, so ito, I'm thankful na first time ko lang to siyang tinry. Ang dali niya namang i-blend. Gumagamit din ako ng Everbelena, gumagamit din ako ng Nishido. Ayun lang guys. So, that would be all for my video for today. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, yung sinabi ko, please like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa future videos ko. So, there you go guys. Thank you so much. See you once again on my future videos. Bye-bye!